Hi everyone, I am Rose Vijayores, and today we have a problem solving in fluid mechanics. So for our fluid mechanics problem solving video today, we will be focusing on density. So let me show you my PowerPoint presentation to introduce our objectives. Okay, welcome to my PowerPoint presentation. So let me introduce to you our main objective. Our objective is to demonstrate the calculation of density for an irregularly shaped object using the water displacement method and the formula of density. Okay, so in this video, we aim to achieve these objectives, and we will start with a quick reminder of what density is, and then we will work out through a problem step by step. So what is density? So density, it is a physical property that describes the amount of mass per unit volume of a substance, and it's typically measured in units such as grams per cubic centimeter and kilogram per cubic centimeters. We have also here the important conversion factors. For example, one cubic meter is equal to 1000 liters and also equal to 1000 cubic centimeter is equal to 1 cubic centimeter. So let's proceed now to our problem. An irregularly shaped metal object is placed in a graduated cylinder. The object has a mass of 300 grams. The initial water level in the cylinder is 150 ml, and the water level rises to 225 ml when the object is submerged. So in this problem, we need to calculate the volume of the metal object using water displacement method and calculate the density of the metal object. So here in our problem, it says that we have an irregularly shaped metal object and we want to determine its density, as it states here in letter B. So we know its mass is 300 grams, and to find its volume, we will use the water displacement method. So how can we find the volume using the water displacement method? So we are going to use this formula. The volume of the object, it is equal to change in the water level. So it can be expressed as V solid is equal to V final minus V initial. So here in the water displacement method, of course, we focus on the volume of the metal of the object. So we start with a graduated cylinder containing 150 ml, which is the initial volume, and the water level rises to 225 ml, which is the final volume. So let's proceed now to calculation using this water displacement method in order to find the volume of the metal object. So as you can see here in our whiteboard, we have here the formula of density, which is the mass per volume, and also we plug down a given, which is 200 grams, or the mass of the metal, and the initial, as I said earlier, 150 ml, and volume final is 225 ml. Let us find the volume of a metal object using water displacement method, which is as states that this is the formula. So let us calculate the volume of the metal. So let's use this formula and let us plug down this given in order to find the volume of metal. I'm going to write here the formula. Okay, after we write down our formula, let's plug down the given values. So 225 ml minus 200, so 225 ml minus 150 ml will give us 75 ml. So as I said earlier, 1 ml is equal to 1 cubic centimeter. This 75 ml is also equal to 75 cubic centimeter, as it's shown here. And now, we already answered the letter A, which is the volume of the metal object, which is 75 cubic centimeter using the water displacement method. And now, let us calculate the density. We know that the formula of density is, now, we already put our formula And let us now plug down the given values, which is the 300 grams for the mass and the volume, which is you'll find earlier. So let us now find out. This will give us 4. Our unit is gram per cubic centimeter. We already find the density of the object and also the volume. Therefore, the density of the metal object is 4 grams per cubic centimeter. We successfully demonstrated how to calculate density, which is mass per volume, and also using the water displacement. Also show relationship between mass, volume, and density and apply the formula to solve a practical problem. Thanks for watching. If you have any questions, feel free to comment below and don't forget to like and share. See you next time. Bye.